session we are discussing about legal business environment. Okay, environment in business. Here, legal environment includes various legislations passed by the government, administrative orders issued by government authorities, government court judgments, as well as the decisions rendered by various commissions and agencies at every level of the government, center, state, or local. Right. So it is imperative for the management of every enterprise to obey the law of the land. Therefore, an adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government is a prerequisite for better business performance. Correct. So here, legal environment refers to the all the all the legislations passed by the government administratives. Okay. So, and it also includes court judgments as well as the decisions rendered by various commissions and agencies at every level of the government. Every level means here central government, state government, or local government, and these are imperative for the management of every enterprise to obey the law of the land. Therefore, an adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government is prerequisite for better business performances. Correct. Here, we could see that when with respect to legal environment, we could see that these are we could see in public international laws, private international laws, and foreign laws with respect to a legal environment. Here, public laws is a system of rules and principles governing the conduct of and relationships between states and international organizations, as well as some of other of their persons. Okay, and also we could see private international laws governing relationships between persons and organizations engaged in international transactions and addresses which law will apply when the parties are in legal dispute. And foreign law is the enacted by the foreign countries. Right? And here, legal environment. Correct. So here, legal environment of business, which introduce as the role of legal agendas in managerial decisions. Correct. And it helps manager in the operations of their business and allow them to know the limits and boundaries of their being in the name of their respective firms. Okay, here legal environment helps managers to take decisions. Okay, it allow them to know their limit and boundaries. Okay, and it makes their decision up to the legal system. Correct. So the legal regulations assist the business enterprises to be under the scope of law and government's regulations. Companies, firms, managers, owners, and their share or debenture holders endeavors the operations to help and protect the rights, and also get bind into several legal tenors that cop up to legal liability and legal consequences from the decisions and actions. Correct. One might think that the business environment consists of just legal system, its processes. Not the fact of the matter is that these also cover up several sources of law of our society. Right. So here we could say that the different aspects with respect to business legal environment, uh, here's, here what here there are some laws that affect the working of a business enterprise, antitrust law. Okay, first one is antitrust law. Here, the very basic reason for the establishment of the antitrust law was to make sure and keeps things in check that no monopoly or trust issue come up in any business. Right. So the real objective of antitrust law is to counter any unfair competitions, and it helps to prioritize the interest in business and helps the consumer to get their rights without any issues. Right. And it saves the reputation of the company by serving as a helping hand that ensures no frauds fraudulent third party comes into the operations, and it monitors the company merger take place with any sort or cheating, so that everyone gets the right amount of share they hope for. Right here, antitrust law ensures the uh, saving of reputation of the company by serving as a helping hand that ensures no fraudulent third party comes into the operations, and in monitoring the company's merger take place when any sort are cheating, so that everyone gets the right amount of share they hope for. Right. And there another important one is consumer safety law, and here uh, here, every consumer can avail the services in terms of goods or assistance from any firm without having doubts about its uses or end results. Okay, the the consumer safety law can be seen in the picture in most of the FMCGs and pharma companies. This focus that no product has any factors that can lead to harmful disease which might cause damage to the consumer, either mental or physical. And another important one is with respect to environment. And we have environmental protection laws, and these laws focus that no harm is done to the environment. Right. So environmental protection law serves gatekeeper that defend our nature from the industries that earn their living solely from natural resources. And companies that deal in timber or any wood as their prime resource have to follow these rules and regulations to the very last bit. Right. And this law helps society and nature from pollution and other harmful components. And uh, every company have to a strict set of rules for their firms and industries. And if any company fails to follow these environmental protection laws, rules, and they have to face some really uh, troublesome charges from the hand of government institutions. Right. And another important legal aspect with respect to health and safety, like we have various health and safety promotion laws. Here, they here health and safety promotion laws rules are deals with the rules and regulations out to ensure the well-being and security of their keen at work. And and this department is formed by the government that is in charge of the instituting of these laws. And right. So uh, so these are the some few important uh, what we there are few important aspects with respect to business legal business environment. We have antitrust laws, okay, which securing the reputation of the company and monitoring the any fraud things should not be take place when merger comes into the picture. And we have consumer safety laws, and we have environmental protection laws, and we have health and safety promotion laws. And apart from this, legal environment is also concerned with protecting the rights and interest of organizations, consumers, employees, and the society, and intellectual property rights. Okay, and it legal environment providing grounds on which organizations activities can be carried out, and it encourages of restraints activities by providing facilities to low abide. It gives punishment to low breakages, and it also regulates activities through legal provisions relating to licensing, employment, monopoly, foreign investment, foreign exchange, uh, as I earlier mentioned, environmental protection, consumer protection, product safety, industrial locations, import, export, pricing, and taxation, etc. And organization must ensure that their activities conform to the law of the land. They must comply with legal provision in force. Okay, changes in laws directly affect the strategies of the company, right? So this is all with respect to the legal environment of business. Okay, thank you, class.